of Sodor is the home of the Northwestern Railway. With engines of all shapes and sizes, working hard to deliver goods and passengers to their destinations. There are branch lines that run along the coast of the island, serving the docks, the fishing villages, and the seaside towns. There are branch lines that run to the farms, quarries, and ancient castles of the island's heartland. And there is the main line, Express coming through, which runs all the way from Knapford on the west coast of the island to Vickerstown in the east. And the line continues over the Vickerstown Bridge, where it connects to the mainland beyond.